You're ambitious, driven. You're the kind of person who doesn't settle for mediocrity. You push boundaries, always striving for more. Venture capital is your ticket to that exclusive club. It's the gateway to transforming those dreams into reality. Venture capital is about backing the future. It's about being at the forefront of groundbreaking ideas and revolutionary technologies. Are you ready to level up? The journey starts here. Let's be real. Not every revolutionary startup is going to change the world. Most fail. The statistics are daunting, with a significant percentage of startups not making it past their first year. Your job is to separate the wheat from the chaff. This means diving deep into the details and understanding the core of what each startup is offering. Don't be fooled by flashy presentations and buzzwords. Look deeper. A slick pitch can be enticing, but it's the substance behind the glitz that truly matters. What problem does this startup solve? Is it addressing a genuine need in the market, or is it a solution in search of a problem? Is it a real problem or an invented one? Sometimes founders can get caught up in their own hype, believing their solution is essential when it might not be. Is their solution genuinely innovative or just a reheated version of something that already exists? True innovation stands out and offers a clear advantage over existing solutions. Pay attention to the team. Experience matters. A team with a track record of success can navigate the challenges of a startup more effectively. But so does passion, resilience, and a shared vision. These qualities can often make the difference between success and failure. Do they have that fire in the belly? Are they willing to put in the long hours and make the necessary sacrifices? Can they weather the inevitable storms? Every startup will face setbacks and challenges. It's how the team responds that will determine their ultimate success. Remember, you're not just investing in a product or service, you're investing in people. Choose wisely. The right team with the right mindset can turn even a modest idea into a groundbreaking success. Due diligence is your chance to become a detective. Dig deep into the company's financials. Scrutinize their business model. Talk to their customers. Don't be afraid to ask tough questions. Challenge their assumptions. Understand their competitive landscape. Identify potential roadblocks. This is where your critical thinking skills come in. Don't rely solely on the information they feed you. Do your own research. Network with experts. Become an expert yourself. The more you know, the better equipped you are to make smart investment decisions. Take a page from the playbooks of legendary venture capitalists. Look at Sequoia Capital's early bets on Apple, Google, and Airbnb. Analyze Andreessen Horowitz's investments in Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest. What did they see that others didn't? What patterns emerge? These successful investors often talk about their investment thesis, a set of guiding principles that inform their decisions. Develop your own thesis. What kind of world do you want to see? What problems are you passionate about solving? Let your values guide your investments. The founder factor, betting on the jockey. A great idea is worthless without a great team to execute it. That's why savvy venture capitalists focus on the founders. Do they have a clear vision? Are they adaptable? Can they inspire and motivate others? Do they possess the grit and determination to overcome obstacles? Look for founders who are passionate about solving a problem, not just building a business. Look for leaders who can attract and retain top talent. Look for individuals with integrity and a strong work ethic. Remember, you're not just investing in a company, you're investing in the people who will make it happen. Market mastery, riding the right wave. Even the best product or service won't succeed without a receptive market. Is there a genuine need for what they're offering? Is the market large enough to support their growth ambitions? Analyze market trends. Identify emerging industries. Look for opportunities where technology is disrupting traditional business models. Timing is crucial. Entering a market too early is risky. Entering too late means playing catch-up. Find that sweet spot where the wave is building but hasn't yet crested. Timing is everything, striking while the iron's hot. Venture capital is a fast-paced world. Opportunities appear and disappear quickly. You need to be able to move decisively when you spot a potential winner. This doesn't mean rushing into things blindly. Do your due diligence, but don't be afraid to trust your gut. Sometimes the best deals are made on instinct and conviction. Be prepared to walk away if the terms aren't right, or if something doesn't feel quite right. There are always other deals to be made. Your first move is taking action today. Start by educating yourself. Read books and articles about venture capital. Follow industry blogs and podcasts. Attend conferences and networking events. Immerse yourself in the startup ecosystem. Connect with entrepreneurs, investors, and mentors. Learn from their experiences. Build relationships. Consider joining an angel investor network or a venture capital firm. This will give you access to deal flow and allow you to learn from experienced professionals. The best way to learn is by doing. Start small. Make your first investment. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. That's how you learn and grow. The bottom line: secrets to success. Venture capital is a high-risk, high-reward game. It's a field where fortunes can be made or lost in the blink of an eye. The stakes are high and the pressure is immense. There are no guarantees of success. The market is unpredictable, and even the most well-thought-out plans can go awry. However, understanding the landscape and preparing for uncertainties can make a significant difference. But by following these principles, you can increase your chances of finding and funding the next big thing. Think big, start small. This means having a grand vision but taking manageable steps to get there. Don't be afraid to dream big, but be realistic about your starting point. Be a contrarian. Don't follow the herd. Often the most lucrative opportunities are those that others overlook or dismiss. Look for opportunities others miss. Do your homework. Due diligence is crucial. Don't cut corners. Trust your gut. Research thoroughly, but also listen to your instincts. They can guide you when data is inconclusive. Sometimes, the best decisions are made on instinct. Stay hungry, stay foolish. This means always being eager to learn and willing to take risks. Complacency is the enemy of progress. Never stop learning and growing. The business world is dynamic, and continuous education is key. Attend seminars, read extensively, and engage with new ideas. The world is changing faster than ever before. Technological advancements and global connectivity are reshaping industries at a rapid pace. Staying updated is not just an advantage, it's a necessity. The opportunities are out there for those who dare to seize them. Boldness and initiative are rewarded in this fast-paced environment. Be proactive and ready to act when the right moment comes. Are you ready to join the ranks of the venture capital elite? The journey is challenging, but with the right mindset and strategies, you can achieve remarkable success. Embrace the challenge and strive for excellence.